everyone, I'm Nana. Today I will tell you about flamingo. Wow, they are jumping birds. Who are they? They are flamingo. Flamingo are water. They are birds that stay near shallow water. Where do they live? They live all over the world. They like lake, pond, and ocean. Do they live alone? Nope. Flamingo live together in big groups. Wow! They can stand on one leg. Yes! They stand on one leg to rest and stand on two legs to eat. What do they eat? They like fish, snail, and plants. They also eat lots of shrimp. Their pink color makes their feathers turn pink. Wow! Their neck is so long. Our long necks. Their long necks help them to feed. Their bill like a shovel. They use it to scoop up food. Can they swim? Yes. They have webbed feet. They can swim on the water. They can also run on the water. And they can fly on the sky. That's about flamingo. Goodbye.